they said that I had a very powerful seat, which basically is a very generous way of saying you've got a fat ass.
That's why I'm going to go to the pub right here.
I think they have pints here.
I hope they do.
Yeah. Think about Bristol.
This is where we met.
Is it drama school?
Everyone met up on Facebook beforehand, which
Yeah.
I was extremely nervous about. Everyone had like moved in together.
Yeah.
I was living on my own with an old lady who was a hoarder.
But I remember the image was basically you kicking the door down, looking like Johnny Bravo coming in.
Purple
That's it.
tracksuit bottoms, yellow trainers, faded leather jacket.
And look at you now.
And just look at me now.
Look at him
And
now.
my hair was twice as tall as my head. Like Jimmy Neutron. Yeah, boy. Oh, them are the days.
That's not a forehead, that's a two.
You were always naughty in class and I was always just nearby to you. We were always kept apart for every single project, and so the moment we were allowed to decide who to work with, we were like this.
Fight me.
Yeah, please fight me.
Desperate to fight each other.
You stabbed me in the fight test.
Yes, I did.
Never forgot
Not
it.
on purpose.
Before we carry on, got asked this the other day. You're stuck in a lift with 3 historical figures. Who are they? What's the vibe?
What's the vibe?
What's the vibe?
Utter panic.
Okay, but who are they?
We're stuck in a lift.
Marie Curie.
Mandela, Nightingale, and...
What is the vibe with Nightingale, Mandela,
Nice. World changing.
and... Yeah.
And of course, we're going to go for Jesus Christ.
God bless him.
He did, very well.
God bless him.
Goes in the family.
I was looking you up the other day online just because I do that all the time. I noticed that a lot of people are talking about how powerful your seat is. What on God's earth does that mean?
I was getting measured for a job once, and they were quite a traditional tailor, and they said that I had a very powerful seat, which basically is a very generous way of saying you've got a fat ass.
You got booty, yeah.
You've got a rather large bum.
Jamie Tart. What does he think of what you're wearing?
I think with a loving sort of wry smile, he'd say, posh twat.
That's season 3, Jamie, that.
That's season 3.